and we are discussing first chapter, that is real numbers of class 10, and we are discussing few questions on exercise 1.3. So now we'll be discussing question 7 of exercise 1.3 of NCERT Exemplar chapter 1 and class 10. So question says that prove that if x and y are both odd positive integers, then x square plus y square is even but not divisible by 4. So what did they ask? First of all, they said that x and y are both odd positive integers. Secondly, they've asked two things. First thing, that x square plus y square is even. We need to prove that, but we need to show that it is not divisible by 4. You should get some time, isn't it? Okay, so give it a try. I'll give you a few seconds, and after that we can come up with solving this question. Before solving the solution, please share, like and subscribe our videos. So now let's start solving this question. You can make your videos pause and you can give it a try, and if you think that you need the solution, you can directly come up with the video and then you can see what all we did for this solution. Now here we have proved that if x and y are both odd positive integers, so we can say that let x equals 2m plus 1 and y equals 2m plus 3. Let x be this and y this as odd positive integers. Now we need to check that x square plus y square is even. That means if we need to go ahead with x square plus y square, then there will be 2m plus 1 whole square plus 2m plus 3 whole square. Now, why did we write 2m plus 1 and 2m plus 3 as odd positive integers? You can put any value of 1. Let's say you can put m as 1, 2, 3. You can see that these two are odd positive integers. It's not necessary you can take 2m plus 1 or 2m plus 3 as well. You can take 2m plus 1 and 2m plus 5 as well, or 2m plus 7. Our main motive is you need to take two odd positive integers. That's it. So you can take any of it, but that should be odd positive integers. So let's say if I put 1 as m, so I'll be getting 3 and I'll be getting 5. These both are odd positive integers. So 3, 5, 7, these all are odd positive integers. Now let's do the squaring of it. So we'll be getting 2m whole square plus 2 times 2m times 1 plus 1 squared plus 2m whole squared plus 2 times 2m times 3 plus 3 squared. So that will be 4m squared plus 4m plus 1 plus 4m squared plus 12m plus 9. Adding like terms, we will be getting 8m squared plus 16m plus 10. Now out of these two I can take 2 common and we are left with 4m squared plus 16m plus 10. Sorry, that will be 4m squared plus, because they have taken 2 common, that will be 4m squared plus 8m plus 5. Now can you see we can solve it further? No, we can't. So what can you see? Can we see that this is even? Yes. Why? Because 2 times something is an even number. Now, can we say that it is divisible by 4? Let's say I have a number 2. Is it divisible by 4? Is it necessary? Let's say if I have this as 3. So 2 times 3 will be 6. Is it divisible by 4? No. If it would have been 4 times something, then we can say that it is divisible by 4. So hence, whatever we need to prove, we have proved that. Therefore, x square plus y square is even but not divisible by 4. So if these kind of question comes, we can do it this way. Thank you so much for watching this video. We'll be coming up with other questions. Thank you.